Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can power on and power off manually SoundPeats T3. So as you can see, I'm currently connected with my phone, and to turn them off we have to click and hold these two touchpads. Take a look for the indicators. We have to wait until they blinks 3 times quickly. Keep holding. Okay, right now they blinks and we can easily release. As you can see, we are disconnected right now. And to power them on, we have to click and hold these touchpads until indicators turns on. So let's do this right now. Right now release. It takes around 1 second or 2 seconds. And after a few moments, we will be connected back. You can also do this by using this charging case, but of course, it's not manual process, it's just simply automatic process. But if for some reason the case stopped working, you can do this manually. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.